Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Lords Mobile with Facebook. If you've been playing Lords Mobile and want to save your progress or switch devices easily, linking or logging in with your Facebook account is one of the best options. First of all, open the Lords Mobile app on your Android device or any other iOS devices and wait for the game to fully load on the main screen. Once you're inside this homepage, go ahead and tap on the gear button, which is at the bottom right corner. Once you open up this section, click on Account. Under Account Settings, click on Switch Account and Device. Now from here, you can select the platform to link or login. You can select IGG account and enter your credentials, Facebook and enter your Facebook account's credential, or your Google account option and enter your Google account's credential to link your game. To log in with Facebook, click on the Facebook option and click on the link button at the top, or you can log into the game with your Facebook account by tapping login right next to Facebook logo. Click on login once again and then you'll be taken to the Facebook's login screen. Go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credential and you'll then be able to sign in to Lords Mobile with Facebook. After you do that, your progress will now be synced with your Facebook account. If you reinstall the game or play it on another device, simply select the Facebook login option again to access your saved progress and data. So that was how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.